All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Wednesday Zoom. My name is Nauder, Khazan, your servant, the Director of Field Development at LiveGood. First of all, I want to welcome the brand new people. Over 10,000 brand new people a week are joining our LiveGood family, or as Ben Galinsky so brilliantly said last week, LiveGood's ecosystem. Gosh, I love that word, LiveGood's ecosystem. I mean, not only we're a family, not only we're just love on each other, not only many of you are pioneers, well, all of you are pioneers. The first 3 million, the first 4 million people that join LiveGood are pioneers, because we will have 100 million people. When Ben Galinsky says we're going to have 30 million people, I've known this gentleman for over 25 years. Times out by 10. He always under promise. He always over delivers. So first of all, welcome all the brand new people to our LiveGood family or ecosystem. I'm excited for you to receive your products. If you place the product order, most people that join LiveGood do place the product order. Why? Because why wouldn't they? They can get the most advanced nutritional products on earth, made by the best ingredients money can buy, and we bring that to you at very close to cost. Why? Because in LiveGood, unlike the other traditional network marketing companies in the world, there are thousands and thousands of them, they actually commission the tangible. So what does that mean? This is a tangible. You can touch it. It's a tangible. So when let's say this costs us about $13 to $14, because we use very high level, high quality ingredients. We tell you exactly how much of it we put in there. This costs us about $13 to $14, but we bring it to our family members, or LiveGood pioneers, to the members of our ecosystem, for $18. Very close to cost. Now, if we were a traditional network marketing company that actually commissioned the tangible, then we had to make this for 14, let's say, and we would sell it for about 15 times the cost, about $200, $150. Well, everyday people cannot spend $150 on one product when they usually need two or three. And the reason those companies do that, and again, there's nothing wrong with it, that's just how they've been doing it since 1934, is because that's how they run operations out of it. That they give away some trips, some of them give away cars, some of them give them watches, some of them, all kinds. There's a big check, so on and so forth, and that money comes from making a product for 1/15th to 1/20th of what they sell it to the end user for. That's just how network marketing works. And not that we need to prove anything, but all you got to do is go to any of those companies, great companies out there, and look at their compensation plan. When you see people getting cars and amazing trips and big checks, well, that money comes from making a product for about 1/15th of what you bring it to the end user for. So a lot of people that are joining LiveGood, ladies and gentlemen, have never done the old network marketing. They've never done the old way that's been around since 1934, 1932, I don't remember, that makes a product for about 1/15th of what they bring it to the end user for. And what we know statistically, and statistics don't lie, unfortunately, most people stop taking products from the traditional network marketing companies that make product for 1/15th, 1/10th, 1/8th, whatever the compensation plan requires. People usually quit taking those products in less than 3 months, to be exact, 2.8 months. So unfortunately, it just doesn't do them any good if they stay on it for only 3 months. Why do they quit in 3 months? Because they probably find the cheaper one on Amazon, on social media, so on and so forth. And now, thanks to LiveGood, they find a way better one, made by the best ingredients money can buy, very close to cost, for 1/3 of the price, with 100% money back guarantee. So a lot of you that join LiveGood this week, like I said, we have about 2,000 to 3,000 people a day joining our LiveGood family, our LiveGood ecosystem. A lot of you have never heard that old network marketing, that they give away cars and trips at a cost of a single mother, paying $45 for a magnesium when it costs about $7 to make, and we bring it to you for $9 or $10. So again, a lot of people that are joining LiveGood, you don't know about the old network marketing that's on its way out. This is the future. We want to bring you the best products money can buy. We are making it with the best ingredients money can buy. Lisa and Ryan actually splurge on ingredient quality, because we do not have to commission the actual products. What do we commission, and what we so proudly pay $50-60 million so far out of, is that $9.95 a month monthly membership. That's our product that we actually commission, and that product gives people the ability to buy these products at very close to cost, that are made by the best ingredients money can buy, with 100% money back guarantee. So that's for brand new people that join our LiveGood family. Again, welcome to our LiveGood ecosystem. Gosh, I love that word. Let's talk about where we're at right now. What we're entering a new year, and you can watch this video any time of the year. I know we're running promotions and all that, but the biggest promotion here is you can get these products at close to cost. You can get products that you need, everybody's talking about, like the G3K2, everybody's talking about, but you're not paying $35-40 so somebody drives a Cadillac or go on an exotic truck. We make it for 8. We bring it to you for under 10. We commission the $9.95 a month membership fee. So reach out to everyone that you know. This time of year, everybody's talking about the flu system. This all over social media. Everybody's talking about what magnesium does. Magnesium is responsible for over 200 to 300 bodily functions. There's so many things out there on magnesium. There's so many people talking about just talking about the D3K2. Excuse me. So go out there. Here's a suggestion, ladies and gentlemen. Here's what I'm going to ask you to do. You're waiting, if you're brand new, you're waiting for your products, all right? That's your biggest testimony because the money that you just saved with 100% money back guarantee. I want you to reach out to everyone that you know. And here's your training. Like I said, you're brand new. If you just joined Live Good, log into your back office. First things first, after you place your own product order, fill out your health survey. This is so important, ladies and gentlemen. Let us help you start 2025 and the rest of your life in a healthy way without going broke. So number one, after you place your product order, and again, we don't have a product purchase requirement, but most people that join, they place the product order because our products, 99% of them are products that everybody knows about. Everybody knows what a vitamin does. Everybody knows magnesium. Everybody knows collagen. Everybody knows greens. Everybody knows reds. Everybody knows protein. What we do, we bring it to people with much, much, much higher quality ingredients at a very, very close cost because we use the power of the club membership. Subscription-based commerce is the future of the world, and we're just, excuse my French, we're kicking butt doing it. Why? Because I believe the $9.95 a month membership fee that Live Good charges, it's the best, the most valuable membership in the world. Look at Costco. You pay $9.95, $14.95, no, $9.95 a month. 110 million people are paying Costco $9.95 a month. So if you buy 2 gallons of milk, you can save a little bit of money. If you buy 5 gallons of ketchup, you can save $3. But guess what? 110 million people are doing it. So club membership is already an awareness. People are never going to go back to overpaying for things. That's just human nature. We're not stupid. So that you got Amazon. 250 million people, ladies and gentlemen, are paying Amazon $14.95 a month. So if you overpay for a green that costs $5 to make and you pay $90 for it, they ship it to you for free. Guess what? 250 million people are doing it. So we know the club membership, the subscription-based membership, the subscription-based commerce is the future of commerce. That's a fact. We also know people do want to tell their friends about something that they find. We see people want to really reach out to their friends if they go to a movie theater, see a great movie. If they go to a restaurant and enjoy a great meal, they're going to tell their friends. But the old network marketing that we don't want to talk about because it's done, but the old way would say, well, if you send your friend to a movie, do you make money off the movie? No. If you send friend to your favorite restaurant, does the restaurant pay you? No, I don't want the restaurant to pay me because then my friend's burger, instead of being $6, is going to be $65 because a whole bunch of people on top of some pyramid going to get paid on it and drive pink Cadillacs and go on trips. So the rest of the world will never put up with the way traditional network marketing companies be making products for 10, 20 and selling it to people for 15 times the cost because so some people on top of some tree can drive fancy cars and go on trips and then shame everyday people. And you don't know this because you're brand new to the industry, but shame everyday people that, hey, the only way you're going to fail is if you quit. So don't worry about that. That industry is done. It's the industry of love now. We just want to help you, help your friends to get healthy, stay healthy, do it in an affordable way. And we talked about Amazon, just like Amazon started with books, ladies and gentlemen. And just a few years later, with over 250 million people paying Amazon $14.95 a month, Amazon almost has everything. I want you to imagine the one-time $40 that you paid to join Live Good. With less than 2 million people in our company right now, we will have 100 million people by 2030. It's inevitable, especially when we turn on the members referring members, because that's when the viral explode. That's when people are not doing it for the business opportunity side, but they're doing it because truly want to bless their friends, because they cannot unsee that they can get a D3K2 vitamin with 100% money back guarantee for under $10 when everybody else is selling it for 30 or 40. So what? They give away cars and Cadillacs and trips. So that's what you got here. You got an opportunity to bless your friends, and your friends cannot unsee this. Your friends cannot unsee this. So this is what I want you to do. While you're waiting for your product to arrive, while you fill out your health survey for yourself, this time of the year, ladies and gentlemen, everybody's waiting to hear from you. This time of the year, you're hearing from people, and everybody's waiting to hear from you. So why don't we do this? Reach out to everyone that you know. I'm not going to tell you what to tell them because you know your friends better than I know your friends. They're your friends. They're your demographics. They're your circle of contacts. So you might have friends you might be around a whole bunch of guys that are a little bit older and they're taking the blue pill. They'll all talk about it whenever they talk about it. Reach out to them and say, hey, Johnny, I was thinking about you. I just started with something. I'm going to send you a health survey. Take a look at it. I'm going to send you a link on something too. That's what you want to do. You want to reach out to everyone that you know and just bless them with your free health survey. Just send them the health survey. Say, I'm thinking about you. You don't have to pitch them on some opportunity. You don't have to tell them about money making, nothing. Say, hey, Samantha, hey, Johnny, hey, Cynthia, I was thinking about you. I want to wish you a happy new year. I got your Christmas card. I got your Hanukkah card that you sent me. It's on my refrigerator. I see your picture with your dog, with your cat, with your car, with your cryptocurrency account, whatever you got. Whatever you picture you send me for holidays, thank you. By the way, I'm going to email you something. Take a look at it. It's my gift to you. It's absolutely free. Happy 2025. And just send everyone that you know on planet Earth your health survey in a nice, kind, loving way. You don't have to get into details. You don't have to get into some 2x15 force matrix, 3 levels of match. Just love on your friends. And doesn't matter if they're doing the old way of doing networking. Believe it or not, there's some companies out there that are still doing it the old way, making products for 10, selling it for 150, and watching people quit in less than 3 months while the owners and the top earners are driving Ferraris and making $1 million a year. Those companies, there are a few of them still around, but it's done because people's buying habits have shifted. So that's one thing you want to do inevitably. If you're new or not new, just reach out to everyone that you know and just tell them, hey, I want to wish you a happy holiday. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you believe in. And I'm going to send you a gift. Is your email, blah, 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 at blah, 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 blah.com. Confirm that and just send them your gift, your free health survey. And bless them. Just bless them. Let them fill it out. Now, you want to take it to the next level? Here's a thought. Why not? I mean, this time of the year, people are spending 50, 60, 70, 100, $150 on video games, on Starbucks gift cards. I don't get it. I mean, people are buying the dumbest things that in 2 weeks it's going to be sitting under the stairs that don't care about it. Here's a thought. Why not reach, if you can, why not reach out to everyone that you know? You know them better than I know them. You might know some people that might be struggling with weight. You might know some people that might be struggling with, during the winters, they get flus. Everybody needs our magnesium. It's responsible for over 200, 250 different bodily functions. And for less than $10 a month, just because we don't, by the way, why is it $10 a month made by the best ingredients? Because we don't commission this. Nobody drives a pink Cadillac because you overpay $40 for a product that cost me $8 to make. It's a very simple math. I don't know why it's so hard for people to understand. So reach out to everyone that you know. Here's the thought. Why not? Here's the thought. Check it out. You're going to spend $70, $80 on some dumb toy or some ridiculous thing for them anyway that they're going to forget. 2025 is here. You can do this after the new year. Reach out to them, ask them to fill out the free survey, and guess what? Why don't you get them a monthly membership? Get them 1 month of membership. Use your funds in your credit wallet. Go get another credit card, prepaid credit card, because we have a very tight security system. So
my goal is to
card and LiveGood can only be used for one account.
To build an online business for time freedom.
Get your friends, 10, 20, 30 of your top friends, a month of membership. Get them our D3K2 that the entire world is talking about right now, especially this time of year, for less than $10. I mean, come on. Or get them our magnesium for under $10. I mean, if you turn on the social media, everybody's talking about these two guys. Everybody. You don't even have to market it. This is not some jiggy acai bang bang boom boom that came from some magic mountain like Ben says. No. Everybody knows what a magnesium is. This time of year, everybody's buying these at $50. Why don't you want to bless your friend and give your friend a deal? What a joy to bless your friend. Here's a thought. Get your friend a $9.95 1-month membership as a gift. They're expecting a gift, some of them. Get them a 1-month membership at LiveGood. Get them one of the products. And here's the thing, boys and girls. If they're a guy and if they're over the age of 40, believe you me, you want to get them on this. You want to get them on this 2 scoops a day for 2 months. And let them stop for a week and see what their mind will do and what some other parts will stop doing. This stuff is unbelievable. $18. $18. Any other network marketing company, if it was going to make it with this level of ingredients, freshest ingredients, and tell you exactly how much you pay, if they were going to pay $13.50 to make it like we do, they would have to sell it to you for $150 because they commission it. They give away cars, they give away trips, and unfortunately in those models people quit in less than 3 months because they wake up, they're like, why am I overpaying for this? So somebody can achieve their financial goals. So you know what, you can bless your friend with one of these. 1 month of membership, so that's 18. 1 month of membership is $10. That's 28. Shipping another 5 or 6. I don't know what a shipping is. We don't make money on shipping. We just pass on the cost from USPS to you guys, boys and girls. That's less than $35. That's if you do this guy, which is oy vey. Okay. You can get them a magnesium that everybody's talking about, $10. Pay for the 1 month of membership, get them the magnesium. Here's a punchline. Make sure if you decide to get your friend a magnesium, send him or her a link when you send them the information telling me, hey, got you a gift, I got you 1 month of membership with our company, get on Lisa and Ryan's Zoom, so on and so forth. You want to make sure if you send your friend a magnesium, if you send your friend a D3K2, if you send your friend a red, make sure you include one of Lisa and Ryan's training on that product to them and just email it to them. That's it. You don't have to talk about all of this stuff, all the fun stuff that we do, and some of the money people are making by truly blessing their friends without 50 hands in the friend's pocket. That's it. Just reach out to your friends. And this time of year, everybody should have one of these in their medicine cabinet. Well, they should have it, it doesn't matter what time of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, at these prices, with this value, 100% money back guarantee, you can bless your friends, get them a 1 month membership, $9.95. You can get them a magnesium, you can get them a D3K2, you can get them one of our mini products. With shipping is less than $35. You got somebody in your matrix. The only requirement you should have for them is to get them on Lisa and Ryan's trainings. That's it. That's it. Why don't you all do that between now and New Year? Why don't you got nothing to lose? We're gonna spend $80 on some dumb toy or some ridiculous Starbucks gift card for your friends anyway. Why not pay for 1 month of their membership? Make sure they attend Lisa and Ryan's videos and send them one of the products that you think will bless your friend. I don't know what your friend needs. But send them one. And I'm not going to say these are tax write-offs or anything. You're going to talk to your tax professional about that. It's not about money anyway. It's about blessing your friends. So again, I want to thank all of you for being a part of the Live Good family. Go out there and just share the love. Share the love. Just reach out to everyone that you know and simply say, I got a present for you. I just did something, I'm blown away, and I just want to give you a present. I'm going to send you my survey. Fill it out. That's it. And like I said, you want to take it to the next level? Handpick 10 or 15 of your friends and pay forward. Pay for 1 month of their membership with your credit card, credit wallet funds, or get a prepaid credit card. I don't know how you're going to do it. Okay? Get them one of our products, $10, including shipping. It's going to be less than $35. You got a person in your matrix. You're putting them in front of Lisa and Ryan and training them. But most importantly, you're giving them the products that they could never get at this price with this level of quality elsewhere. You couldn't. There's no way, because there's two ways. Either they would buy from a grocery store, vitamin store, their doctor office, and in that case, the $10 product will become $100 because it has to go through the distribution channels. It has to go through warehouses. You have to pay the salesman who's going to sell it to the doctors. Then the doctor is going to double his or her money to sell it to you. If it's a grocery store, you have to pay for the shelf, for the employees. So a $10 product become $100. In network marketing, that $10 product, you gotta have people walking on the stage. You gotta have people getting rings. You gotta have people getting cars. You gotta have people going on exotic trips. You gotta have people flashing big checks, and CEOs making $1 million a year. So that $10 product, $8 product becomes 60, 70, 80. Live Good, we do it different. It's very simple. It's very simple. We do not commission the tangibles because our goal is to put the best ingredients on there without worrying about some 15x factor to make our comp plan work. So the same people on top of some comp plan that go from company to company, the old MLMs, don't worry about it, new people. It's dead. It's over. We'll get rich. No. I want to make you healthy. I want to help you get healthy. I want you to listen to Lisa and Ryan and get healthy. And if you can make an extra 50, 60 bucks a month, that's going to help you offset your product costs even more. Hallelujah. You want to take it to the next level? You can do that. But it all starts at one-time $40, getting your hands on products without 50 people's hands in your pocket. Nobody's going on exotic trips. Nobody's driving a pink Cadillac just because you overpay for products here. So go out there this time of the year, all out massive action. Don't get into details. Just reach out to everyone that you know, have them fill out the survey. If you're thinking about buying them a present, some $60, $75, whatever gift card, why do that? Get them a 1 month membership in Live Good. You get them in your matrix. Get them one of our products, including shipping. It's less than $35. And the only requirement you should have for them is get them on Lisa and Ryan Zooms. That's it. I'm going to keep it at that. Love you all. God bless you. Go, go, go. We'll see you at the top.